In this video, we are going to demonstrate how disciplining yourself to put your ad budget together each and every month relates to the number of leads that you generate in your business, and subsequent to that, all of the conversions from visitors all the way up to your membership levels with your ProU products. So here, when we take a look at the conversion table, these conversion tables match what you see in your back office under Conversion Table tab. So there's two areas in this conversion table. One is projection and one is actual. You'll see it right through here. It matches exactly as you see in your back office. The yellow areas are areas in which you will actually place numbers in them. The gray areas are functions or formulas. You'll see those if you open up the formula box. The formulas are up there. Otherwise, it's just a hard input number. So two things here. We'll start with the projection, and then when you actually have that period ending, go to your table in your back office and literally take the numbers and place them in the projection to see how well you did. You're either going to be performing at the system target, which you see in line 105, no different than the target that you see in your back office. And this way you'll know whether you're at par, underperforming, or over or exceeding your expectations. Here in the projection, we'll use 30-day projection, 400 leads, 4,000 visitors at the 10% conversion factor. Again, that's showing right here, 10 to 15%. So we're at minimum, very conservative. The apps are at 4%, again, following the system target. 5 bibs, 5 affiliates, 2 silvers, 1 gold, and 1 plat. When those numbers show up here automatically, then you're going to come down and manually, as it states there, manual input, place them right here. Once they're in place, they'll automatically populate right here. So we see with those number of sales that we've generated 33,000 roughly in revenues. And based on your positioning or your level of business in the ProU program, you will go down and find the number of dollars that you are projected to make that month. Okay, so in this example, if you're an elite gold status member, 40%, your projected number should be around $7,500 for the month. Then at the end of that period, we now take those actual numbers from your conversion table in the back office and place them in the cells as stated. So we have 1,600 leads. We also look to track our visitors each and every month, okay? And you should be following through with that each and every week, actually, so that you'll have a total, a summarization at the end of each month for the number of visitors that have seen your site and have clicked on that, and then subsequent to that, the leads that opt in. So here, if your back office only shows you 20 applications, then that is actually at 1%. You're 3% down on the system target. So that is the weakest link in your conversion system, okay? From visitor all the way up to upgrades, the weakest link right now is the app, the lead to app conversion. So that means that's the link that you would lean on us to help have us assist you in tweaking that and getting it back up to where you have 64 apps in this case, which is the system target. There again, it shows, right, following that, the number of bibs, the affiliates, the silvers, the golds, the platinums, and the black. These now, in the actual columns, they actually populate automatically. So we come right down into the actual accrued. The one up above is the projection, okay, and the actual follows suit with your actual plugins, okay? So in 120 days, we see the revenues from each membership level that we've sold. They accrue in 120 days to a little over $250,000. And based on whether or not you're a student affiliate or a 25% professional status or 40% elite status, you find yourself here, and then come right down and look at the highlighted area to see where your number should be. If those, for example, is a gold elite status at 40%, with these numbers you should be at $52,000 in that 4-month period. If that is considerably less than that, we need to find out where these percentages are down over the system target and fix those areas. Those are the weakest links that need to be corrected as quickly as possible. All right, that concludes working the calculator with a daily method of operation. And so again, folks, use these on a minimally a month-to-month basis. Get your projections set forth for your assignments and follow them. They're only as good as you actually picking up the pen, or in this case, digitally inputting your projections and your subsequent actual numbers that come from your back office. All right? Have fun monitoring your business and seeing the transparency of what your actual efforts of placing ad spend are going to do for your business.